this one. So binary games, this is where you learn your binary. So the lesson is here, and then we have some challenges. So here you have, first we're going to start with a nibble. A nibble is a 4-bit object, half of a byte. And I guess this will do. Okay, so normal numbers. You use the digits 0 through 9. This is what we do all the time. So you know that this is 147. You know this is, the 1 is at hundreds, the 4 is the number of tens, and 7 is a number of ones. So you understand what this means. 1 times 10 squared, 4 times 10 to the 1, and 7 times 10 to the 0. Let me just try answering this. You might be a student. I'm Sam. Can I help you? Yeah. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Okay. All right. Okay, no problem. No. Okay. Okay, sure. No problem. Okay, bye. All right, good. All right, that was nothing, but I decided to answer it in case it was a student. Anyway, so, all right. So this is what you mean. The number on the right is the number of ones, the next number is the number of tens, and the next number is the number of hundreds. That's how you read base 10. Doesn't matter. Now, in base 2, you only use 0 and 1. So the number on the right is the number of ones, the next number is the number of twos, so 1, 1 is 3 in base 10. And so the number on the right is the number of ones, the next number is the number of twos, the next number is the number of fours, and so on. So if you want to count to 7, it looks like this. 0 and 1 are normal. 1, 0 is 2, because there's no 1 and a 2. 1, 1 is 3. There's a 1 and a 2. Here's what 4 looks like. No 1s, no 2s, and 1, 4. And here's what 7 looks like. 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 2 plus 4. And a nibble is 4 bits. And all you have is 1s, 2s, 4s, and 8s. So this is the number 9. It's 8 plus 1 and nothing else. So here's all the possible nibbles. There are only 16 of them. The highest possible nibble is 15. The lowest one is 0. And one that's easy to remember is that 10, 10 is 10, because it's 2 plus 8 for 10. All right, so let's try some of these challenges and see how it goes. Here's how you get your points. You have to get, I think, 5 in a row correct. So 1110, what is that in decimal? You can put the answer in the chat. We'll see. It's possible that everybody's gone to sleep. The way you do it is the right digit is the number of ones, then this is the number of 2s, 4s, and 8s. So what's this number? 1110. Well, if I get no response, I'll stop demonstrating this one tonight then. There are some challenges here where you get to learn these various things and practice them, but it doesn't look like I have anybody interested in doing it tonight, so I'm just going to stop this.